OG Crossfield versus Saga Ballers. Double between Gino Cruz and jersey number 11, Gabu. Quijano, the captain. Lea Golverdu. Number 11, Gabu. Pass to the captain, Quijano. Quijano, 3 points.
Uy!
Intercepted by Quijano. Quijano to one situation. Quijano, Golverdu. Nice moves, the captain. Quijano gustong babawi, pabanda, Golverdu. Santonya, binigay kay Quijano, nice pass play. Pero may foul. Shout out sa mga viewers natin. Second natin kay Quijano, 1 of 1.
Shout out sa'yo, Moses Maral.
Sabi tama, Jack Ador for the rebound. Tonido into the captain, Quijano, pabanda, smooth shot, goal for 2. For 3, launches a 3, and up, good.
Number 25, nagkaroon ng papasahan, pass on 21, bullet pass on number 3, using the ball, and Swiss, Chin, Selrich. Wow, may kasama pang foul. Basket. Time remaining is 1 minute and 18 seconds. Bonus shot for number 3. Bonus shot is friendly bounce for number 3. Last 1 minute, last 5 seconds. 4. Too strong.